Function copyList will receive an object through its parameter, and its name is otherList, the name of the parameter, and it will simply receive all the data from otherList and will create a new object, mm, and it will copy all the nodes of the other list and paste into the new objects nodes. So we have created a new node, and we have created a current node pointers, and first we are checking that if first is not equal to null pointer, it means on which object we have called this function copyList. We will check this, that if the list is non-empty, then we will make it empty by calling the destroy list function, and then we will check that if other list dot first is equal to null pointer, means that the other list that we have received in the parameters, if this list has some nodes, then if this list is empty, then we will simply set first and last and count variables to initialize the new list. Otherwise, if the other list has some nodes, then we will move on to the else section, and in this section we will assign the first node of the other list to the current node to the new list. Okay, and similarly we will assign the count value of the other list to the count of the new list. Then we will copy the first node of the list. How? We will create a new node type and assign it to the first. Then we will copy the info value from the current of the other list and paste it on the first of the new list. And similarly we will assign first link null pointer and last equal to first, because at the moment we have only one node, so both first and last will point to the first node. And then we will move the current node of the second list to the next node, and then we will run the loop to copy all the remaining nodes from the other list to the new list. So in this we will run the loop while current is not equal to null pointer. Loop will run on all the elements of the other list. And then first of all we have assigned a new node, we have created a new node, and we'll copy the current info in the new node info, and we will assign its link to null pointer. And then we have created last node. We will assign the link of we will assign the new node to the link of last, and last is equal to new node. What this basically does, it makes the last points to the new node, and then we move the current node to the next node. So this is basically complicated process. So basically these two lines are complicated. In this line, last link is equal to new node. What we are doing this line, we are placing new node at the end of the list. Okay, but we also want to nominate that our new node is now the latest last node. So in the second line we are saying that our new node is now the latest last node. So this is basically the copy list function. And then we have destructor, in which we have called the destroy list function. And then we have copy constructor, in which we have called this copy list function. And then we have the assignment operator overloading, and simply we are using that. In assignment operator, we normally assign the right hand side of the assignment operator to the left hand side. So we will simply copy the other list object to the new object. So this is basically the linked list class.